Now I'm going to unbox the flood bag kit, which includes a spec sheet showing product overview, features, how to use, and specifications. We also have a sticker, Tough Guy sticker, that you can put on your garage fridge or maybe a tool chest. The flood bags are this size prior to expanding, made of geotextile. We have our Tough Guy stencil on it and the absorbent material inside the bag. There's 8 of these in this box. This kit also includes a complimentary tarp, which can be used as a barrier prior to positioning of your flood bags.